I'm Rosella DeLeo. So today I will be cooking a tomahawk steak with garlic and rosemary, and I'll be grilling an assortment of vegetables, and as an appetizer or as a starter I'm going to do some bruschetta with grilled yellow peppers and some goat's cheese. I am a transplanted Canadian. I've been in this local area of Surrey. It encapsulates what everyone thinks of and, really loves about England. We've been here now about 2.5 years. I can walk to shops, but I can also be in London within half an hour, 45 minutes. Always felt very, very, very comfortable here. The style of my home, from the outside it looks very, very traditional. It's a Georgian center plan. We have some classical touches inside the house. We meld it with the modern. It's a lovely combination of both. It doesn't feel over the top. I think it feels welcoming. And the kitchen tends to be the focal point of daily life, entertaining. Why we also wanted to carry that entertaining outside. When I first saw the Vlaze outdoor kitchen, it was so different. I really, really loved it. I think it has to be welcoming. I think it has to be a bit unpretentious. I also think it has to look pretty. First off, quality, design, and comfort. My husband and I have been toying with having an outdoor kitchen for years. Bear in mind, back in North America, we have these lovely large outdoor kitchens, very heavy stone, big heavy barbecues. And so we looked at various different companies, and I just didn't find them, for lack of a better word, pretty. Look, olive oil, garlic, and salt. They did the job, but aesthetically, I didn't find them pleasing. Because I do a lot of cooking, stainless steel is really a pain to keep clean. Because I'd also been to see other people's outdoor kitchens from other companies that had been installed and had been in for a year or two. And the one thing that really caught my attention was the fact that the stainless steel part of it, it just didn't, not that it didn't age well, it's very hard to keep clean. With the Vlaze that I can kind of wipe the counter and it looks brand new, really caught my attention. Top tips for outdoor living. I think it has to be easy. You have to be able to go from inside to outside without too much fuss. I also think it has to be comfortable. I'm new to Vlaze, but it's so easy for me. Literally, I come out, I turn on the barbecue, and away I go. It's seamless. It's a seamless transition from my indoor kitchen to my outdoor kitchen. I cook a lot. My boys like to eat a lot of protein as well. And my eldest loves to help me as well. My background being Italian, that bright blue just reminds me of the Mediterranean, being outside. It's fabulous. And to me, it's like another piece of furniture. That's why I really liked Vlaze as well, because to me, it wasn't just having a big barbecue outside. To me, this was another piece. I mean, architecturally, the whole thing, it's so lovely. It's so pretty. The other thing I really love about it is the fact that a lot of outdoor kitchens, once they are assembled and put into place, you can't take it with you. But I love the fact that this is on wheels. It's a very easy, for me to move it around if I want to put it in a different position, and then I can actually take it with me if I choose to move wherever I go. If I feel like there's something else that I need, like perhaps the outdoor refrigerator, I can add to it. If I want like a little bar area as time goes on, I can add to it. I can add to it in different colors. It doesn't have to necessarily be the same blue. I can add a splash of yellow. If something should happen to one of the panels, they can easily be replaced because it all snaps together. The whole thing is just very easy and just makes sense. Well, I like cooking loads. Obviously, as I've said, I have an Italian background, so a lot of my dishes will have a little bit of an Italian flair to them. I do like to do a lot of vegetables. It makes it very easy to use the grill. In particular, at first I was a bit nervous about it, but the barbecue that I chose has the option of having cast iron as well as stainless steel. I really like the cast iron as well. The cast iron, especially when you are grilling or cooking meat, it's phenomenal. It's lovely. Pretty simple. Grilled vegetables with just garlic, olive oil, and salt. My take on a bruschetta with grilled yellow peppers and goat's cheese and a tomahawk steak infused with rosemary, garlic, and olive oil. And no noise in the background.